I'm going to tell you the top 5 problems that you might have with a Nissan NV2500, one of them being this. Let's see that again. These vehicles tend to get internal cracks on the intake manifold. Oil can leak through these cracks into the combustion chamber and cause major engine damage. It's been reported that these manifolds crack about every 20,000 miles or so, and that can really add up. Another common problem with these is a vibration while braking. First thing you want to look at is your brakes, your rotors. Look at these rotors, they're burnt and warped. You need to check your calipers, your brake pads, your slides. Is everything moving freely? After you check your braking system and everything looks good, you might want to check your lower control arm bushings. Even though they're not part of your braking system, they play a part. When you apply your brake, if your bushings are worn, that wheel is going to want to move forward and backwards. That can cause a vibration. That's not the only suspension-related issues these vehicles have, but we're going to talk about that a little later. Let's talk about door seals, window seals, even windshield seals that leak. You might be thinking it's just water, but water causes corrosion, rust, and even damage to electrical components. So it's always good to check your seals. So let's talk about those lower control arm bushings. If you hear a noise like this, more than likely you have an issue with your suspension. Could be a ball joint, could be a bushing, could be a strut. All these are factors in squeaks and rattles. Your ball joints, your outer tie rods, your inner tie rod here, they all have boots. What happens is those boots rip, all the grease comes out, and those joints get dry. That can cause a squeak. If you have any of these issues, just remember you can get all these parts at 18auto.com. If you find your vehicle losing power, especially going up hills, you may have an issue with your spark plugs causing a misfire. When this happens, usually the check engine light comes on with a code P0300. That means multiple cylinders are misfiring all at the same time. When this happens for a long period of time, unburned fuel gets down into the exhaust system and melts your catalytic converter. So that means you have to replace them. That's a pretty costly repair, so if you have this issue, you want to replace your spark plugs sooner than later.